In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view your history with Gemini here in Google Sheets. So you've been working on a spreadsheet with the help of Gemini, and all you want to do is to view some of the past conversations that you've had. This is how you can do it. So to open Gemini, just go to the top right corner right here, click on it, and here we have our Gemini panel on the right side. Right now, when we open it, especially when you've just opened the same file that you've been working on and you want to check that history, go to the menu here on the left side. Here at the top, it will show you right away your history. So it will have the latest conversations from this file right here. And if you want to see all of the conversations, just go to view all right here. And here we have it. So this doesn't actually just include the conversation that you've had with this specific file, but with all the files that you've been working on under this account. So these are not just from this file right here, it's actually from the different files that are again found within this account. So if you want to go back and revisit a conversation that you've had maybe earlier today, then you can just click on it and it will show you the complete conversation, what prompt you've entered, what it has done for you, and so on. If you want to go back to another one, just go to that menu, then click on the one that you want to see, and here we have it. So it's quite easy to go back to previous conversations or to view your history with Gemini right here in Google Sheets. If you want to learn more on how to use Gemini, I have a full playlist to that I'll be leaving a card to at the top right corner for you to click and watch. Also, if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.